For too long, professionals, leaders, and even entire organizations have been running on autopilot. Brilliant people playing small. Talented teams stuck in survival mode. Corporates full of potential, drained by fear, stress, and limitation. I know this story because I lived it. I'm Ntebs Mbanjwa, and after almost 20 years in HR leadership and talent across some of the top corporates, I saw firsthand how people forget who they are. They give away their power. They let outdated beliefs and victim mindsets trap them. But everything shifted when I said yes to my own personal growth. I invested in myself, transformed my identity, and manifested abundance, success, and freedom. And now, through the Dinah Lady Institute, I bring that same transformation to you. At Dinah Lady Institute, we offer not one but 5 leading coaching programs that deliver life-changing experiences. These are not surface-level trainings. They are identity-shifting journeys that expand what's possible for individuals, leaders, teams, and entire organizations. And here's why it matters. If you're a business owner, an executive, or a leader, it's no longer optional to invest in your people, because your team's energy is your company's currency. When you raise their consciousness, you raise performance. When they thrive, your business thrives. Let's unpack these 5 life-changing coaching program offerings. The Limitless Coaching Program, the gateway to personal reinvention, a 6-month or flexible month-to-month journey into identity shift, where you break beliefs, embody your higher self, and manifest abundance across every area of life. The Manifest Wealth Program. Wealth isn't only numbers, it's energy, freedom, and alignment. This program rewires your wealth blueprint so that money becomes not something you chase, but something you attract. The AI Innovator Program. Future-proof your leadership. Learn how to harness AI as a strategic advantage, amplify your impact, and lead your team or organization into the future. The Change Enablement Lab. Change is constant, but transformation is a choice. Here, you'll master the frameworks, strategies, and mindset to lead transitions with confidence, while manifesting outcomes that align with your vision. The Conscious Leadership Program, where leadership meets manifestation. This luxury program builds authentic presence, emotional intelligence, and legacy-driven influence, so you don't just manage, you inspire. But transformation isn't just something you learn. It's something you live. That's why we are introducing the Manifestation Hoodie Shop. Premium luxury hoodies infused with manifestation messages that keep you aligned with your vision every single day. Wear abundance and step into prosperity. Wear limitless and feel unstoppable. Wear freedom and embody expansion. Wear aligned and walk as your best self. It's more than clothing, it's a lifestyle, it's a declaration of who you are becoming. So imagine this. You wake up each day energized, aligned, and on purpose. Your team's thriving, innovative, engaged, and unstoppable. Your career elevated. Your business overflowing with energy, clarity, and growth. Your life limitless. This isn't a dream. This is the transformation waiting for you at Dinah Lady Institute. We don't just offer coaching, we offer portals into new realities. We don't just create programs, we create leaders, innovators, wealth creators, and conscious visionaries. This is your invitation to stop playing small, to raise your energy, to elevate your teams, and to step boldly into the limitless life and business you were born to create. Explore our 5 world-class coaching programs. Shop the Manifestation Hoodie collection. Step into the limitless version of you. Dinah Lady Institute, where transformation becomes your lifestyle, where individuals thrive, where businesses expand, where you become limitless. Welcome to your home of manifestation, identity work, and limitless living.